Hey, this is Aaron. Welcome to this Zap Surveys review. If you're checking this website out, maybe you've landed here and you're wondering, can you really take Zap Surveys and earn real cash? How much can you really make from taking surveys? Is this a good way to make money online or a big waste of time? Okay. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month working from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. On this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money on the internet. Some of them really good, some of them so-so though, and a lot of them though a big waste of time. So let's check out Zap Surveys to find out how good this money-making strategy really is, or maybe there are better ways out there, okay? Now Zap Surveys, this is their brand new website. They've been around for a long time. They've updated, they've upgraded, right? And if you come to their website right now, you can take surveys directly from the website when previously you couldn't. You had to download the app, all right? But the website is a very nice looking site. If you come to zapsurveys.com, you'll see if you scroll down here, it's one of the nicer, definitely looking survey websites, right? You can see some of the payout options here, and it's a really, really cool interactive website, all right? Now, let's talk about how this really works and whether it's a good way to make money online. Now, the important thing to understand is that Zap Surveys is available globally, right? So you can just come here, you can click on how it works, you can click on start earning money, and you can basically sign in, right? Sign up with your email, Facebook, Apple, or sign in with Google, which is really cool. Many different ways to sign on, right? Now, once you sign in, you're gonna have a background interface, and it's gonna allow you to, first of all, collect the $2 that they promised you here, right? So this is real. So earn $2 on your first survey and make money with absolute power, right? That's like a huge income claim right there. Very hypey. I mean, it's not that much money, to be honest, $2. But once you fill out your first survey, they will really give you a $2 bonus, which is cool. Okay, so that's pretty cool right there. But the important thing is not the $2 bonus, because it makes it sound like you can earn $2 for every survey, but you can't. Okay, they're just giving you a $2 bonus for your first survey, but after that, every bonus is a normal survey price point, right? So their surveys pay between 10 cents to about 50 cents. Now, sometimes you can get higher paying surveys, but this is quite low for surveys. There are other survey websites out there they pay a little bit more, 80 cents, $1, some survey websites, $1.50, some even pay $2 per survey, but that's quite rare, all right? This one about 10 cents to 50 cents per survey. And the thing about Zap Surveys is it really depends on where you're located, okay? So if you're located in a really good part of the world, then you're going to get a little bit more surveys. If you're located in some parts of the world where they're not super active, right, then you're not going to get as many surveys. The other thing I want to say is on their website, if you look at it, it looks like the surveys pay quite a lot, right? $1.25, $1.67, $3.14. It's not really like this, okay? Now, yes, you can find surveys that will pay you a little bit more, but for the most part, most of the surveys that you're gonna find will range between 10 cents and about 50 cents, okay? Higher paying surveys, a lot less volume, and again, it just really depends on where you live in the world. If you live in a part where Zap Surveys has a lot of surveys, then you're going to see a little bit more. But unfortunately, even with Zap Surveys, you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day. That's not how it works, okay? Based on your location, based on the timing, based on the supply and demand, they will show you the relevant amount of surveys because they are a survey aggregator. They work with a couple of big survey survey companies, and they will aggregate the surveys and put it onto their platform. All right, so based on the supply, based on your location, you will get the availability of surveys for that particular day. Sometimes it's only one survey, sometimes it's no surveys, sometimes it might be 3 surveys. All right, I hope that makes sense. But if you sit there and fill out 3 surveys, that might take you half an hour, maybe 40 minutes, right? And you might only make 50 cents, you might only make 80 cents total. You might make $1.50 that particular day. I hope that makes sense, okay? So does this work? Well, it does work, okay? And to withdraw, you can do it several ways. The threshold is $10, so you have to wait until you've made at least $10 worth of surveys. That can take a while. It depends on your luck, right? Sometimes you can do it in a week, sometimes you can do it in a few days, sometimes it might take you a few weeks, sometimes it might take you more than a month to get to $10 of a threshold. Okay, that's just the way that survey taking works, right? But when you reach $10, you can withdraw it through gift cards, through PayPal, through Amazon, and these are the main strategies. Again, depending on where you live in the world, you will get different options to withdraw. So what I would say is Zap Surveys, with the upgrade and everything, it's nicer. You can take surveys through their website. You can also download the app. The thing about it though is, just like a lot of survey websites, you're not going to get access to hundreds and hundreds of surveys every day. You will only get access to a few surveys, again, depending on where you live. Sometimes more, sometimes less, right? So you might be able to, I would say, make, if you're very, very active and you're lucky, maybe you can make, you know, 10 to 20, maybe $30 a month filling out surveys, but probably not too much more than that. All right, that's just the way the surveys work. So this is a little bit of extra bonus money, right, for the time that you're putting in. But is this going to replace your full-time income? Absolutely not. Okay, it's not going to make you rich. You can't travel the world. You're not going to become a millionaire, nothing like that. This is more like an additional 10, 20, 30 bucks a month. Cool, you know, for spending a little bit of time filling out surveys. And that's pretty much it, an extra bit of bonus money. All right, so if you want to check out Zap Surveys, you can head to zapsurveys.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, on this channel I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online strategies. Some really good, some so-so, a lot of them not so great. Okay, but out of all the really good ones where you can earn big income, I have distilled it down to one strategy where I think the normal beginner, someone who's never made money online, has their best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and much more depending on how much effort you put into the strategy. If you want to check that strategy out, click the link below and I'll send you my masterclass for free. You can check it out step by step if you want. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Zap Surveys. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.